morning, America.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good
brother
morning.
and sisters neighborhood.
Hi, bro.
Oh, this is a wedding over there.
You don't care.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my God, you look like a cake.
You're very welcome to come to eat this kind of
Gummy worm.
things. Ugly things, disgusting American food.
But we really
Yeah.
liked it. 99 cents every weekend.
And Walgreens.
Is it merchandise stuff?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So, she's Maya. Hi, friends.
Julie.
Hi, good morning. And Laura from Brazil.
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 Nice to meet you. Billy, where are you?
Oh, yes. So let's talk about what we're going to do in vacation. Yeah, almost. Yeah. What kind of vacation?
Second vacation.
Wow, second vacation, like 4 weeks. Yeah. 4 years.
No, 3 weeks.
Yeah, but with the 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 plus 2.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. So I will find.
So our vacation will be in
Pretty soon. Maybe
3 months? No. 4 months?
Like 3-4 months.
Yeah. In France.
Maybe in Switzerland too for the chocolate.
Yeah. So first plan.
So this is what we're going to do.
This is the year.
I have just the pass after Paris. Yeah. After Paris, let's go to the sunny place in Lyon. Let's go to the hammam.
Macumba.
Oh yeah. Let's go dancing in Macumba. Yeah. After, what else? Let's go to Nice. Oh, Nice.
Nice.
The sun. Maybe put a little toes in the in the water, but really this little. So
Switzerland.
yeah, yeah, that's the one.
Play cards, maybe.
Play cards, yeah. Coming directly from Las Vegas. Las Vegas. What happened in Las Vegas?
It stays in Las
Stays
Vegas.
in Las Vegas. Oh, yeah, nobody. So after I have to find a job. Yes, me
I
too.
have to say, and I need to go back home.
No, you don't have to. Yeah, maybe you will meet a nice, wonderful guy. Yeah.
And then you woke up.
No. You will never see. But I will miss ice cream. Oh, yeah. Even today, there's no more ice cream. But that's okay. Just like people yeah.
Even like this cold, we are taking ice cream.
Yeah. Sorry about the noise. Well, doing whatever. What's the name of it?
Taking the boats out of the water.
Yeah.
Because
It's gonna
soon will be
free.
everything freezing.
Yeah. So maybe we can just keep some minutes talking later. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Bye bye from Madison.